Yeah. So, hi guys, today we're making another video and we play every second you get one strike. Okay. Okay, so we're starting.
Hawak mo nga na.
Oh,
Mabagsak.
okay. Okay guys.
Buwi ka na, pagod ka na.
Sino? Pagod na kami. Hindi?
Hugas lang mga akong pa.
Okay. Oh, so cute. Okay guys, sorry about that. Don't mind about my TV.
20 years.
Oh, he's trying to phone me.
Kasal ni Elsa Bagay. Kami
I did try.
nagkakagad. Tuto ako sa tamaw. Hindi mo kami ganito kaginawa. Yung 20 years na yun,
This guy's so cute.
kasama namin yan.
Well, he's more cuter than my cousin, but my brother is cuter than him. I don't care when my brother's cuter than him.
Wala, ano? Wala.
Okay guys, I'm AFK.
Nauna na rin. Para sa akin.
What's happening here?
Dapat special yan. Oo nga. Yung isang special na regalo. Special sopaw. Hindi ganun. Special na yung sopaw. Yung somay. Pero magsabi nito niya, please, bibili yan. Sarap.
Working anniversary siopaw lang. Dapat yung extra special.
Pwede yung
Hindi naman extra special siopaw. Hindi niyo makagustuhan yun. Uy!
wala. Yung sopaw sa pihida.
Ay, gusto ko yan! Special!
Okay, sabi ko siya. Sakto lang para sa amin. Merienda.
Kaya dito, dami nakapaskil sa highway. Don't text and drive. Sige na, text ka ng text.
Hindi na ako text.
Ano ginagawa mo? Sige yan, tata mo. Tigilan mo na yan, tuwang muna ako.
Oh, sorry again. Why I keep on being AFK?
Regalo eh. Regalo eh, sa anniversary nga.
Ay, talaga po. Ilang years na po ba kayo?
20, awanan nyo.
20 years. Sana kami rin yung keyboard.
Sabi ko, tingnan mo yung clipboard. Ako muna.
20 years no?
Oo.
Maganda po niya. Regaluhan siya ng something platinum.
Atin mo.
Opo, platinum. Kasi yun po yung symbol ng 20 years anniversary. Yung modern.
Ano ba yung mga symbol? mo na sinasabi.
Did someone join me? Oh, it's Koi. Okay, so we're playing 2 games only. Okay, so let's leave and play the next game. Oh, I mean we're gonna watch, and then if I want to play, let's play. Guys, I love that scream. That's my mom and me. We just took a photo. Let's watch YouTube. YouTube.
Why am I so short? I'm so tired.
Hey, yo.
It's not fair. Just grow.
Bakit hindi mo sinasabi sa akin?
Why did I think of that?
Nagkakaroon ko lang ng time eh. Okay, alam mo na. Kaya mo na ako yan.
Hey, yo.
Dati ako yung desidido mag-upload at ayaw mo akong paalisin. Ngayon, ikaw naman ang aalis. Akala ko ba ayaw mo magkahiwa-hiwalay tayo ng mga anak mo?
Ayoko nga, pero...
Just don't mind about that.
I bought donuts. They're these healthy donuts made from bark.
Ikaw, siguro sa'yo pa naman yung ginagawa mo.
But not instead of cow. I've replaced all the chairs with healthy trees.
Oh, wow.
Why am I so short? I'm so...
Dan P just dropped a video of the
Guys, can I be AFK? I'm so sorry. I'm gonna talk when I'm gonna play a game.
dance trend, and Natalie also hopped on the same trend. Now fans are arguing over who actually did it better. If you think Dan P did it better, hit...
I wanna see them, don't tell a soul. I've always thought that you're beautiful.
Wala na! Hindi galing sa akin ba?
Yes, sir.
Sige.
May problema sa opisina. Ayusin na lang natin. Gusto ko lang yung ilalap sa akin sa trabaho.
Ano na magiging trabaho mo?
Ito sa factory. Pagdating na
love this song, guys.
Eh, kaya kaya naman tsaka decision yung mga asawa. Hindi mo naman kailangan face.
Kaya naman nais mo.
Eh, asikaso lang yung gusto mo. Pagkatapos nun. Tapos na.
Ito pa rin ang ewan ko na lang
Okay, so bye-bye.